Hi, friends! It's time for another fun letter with me. Can you guess which one it is today? It's fabulous, fantastic, and full of fun. It's the letter F.
F is for fish, swimming so free. F is for fox, under the tree. F is for frog, jumping up high. F is for fan, blowing air nearby. F, letter F, big and bold for all to see. F, what a sound, say it loud and dance around. F is for Firetruck, shiny and red. F is for flower in the flower bed. F is for feather, soft and light. F is for fork to eat a bite. F, we love you. Learning letters 1 and 2. Now you know the letter F. Sing again and dance with me.
Let's be F finders. Can you spot which of these words start with the letter F? Shout them out! Yes, fish and frogs start with F. Fantastic work, everyone.
F is for frog, jumping up
What
high.
an F-filled day. We had fun, we found new words, and we sang our hearts out. What was your favorite F word? Subscribe and stay tuned. The next letter adventure is just around the corner. See you soon, alphabet friends.